Want to know how to change your moon tag in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application on your Android or iPhone. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing this here icon. Once you have opened up your MoonPay application, just simply select it. And now once you've done that, you should be directed to the settings tab. Now once you're in the settings tab here, right below profile, you should be seeing moon tag, something nice moon tag. You can just simply select it, and now you can just simply change your moon tag to anything that you want. And now once you're done with it, you can just simply select save right here. So you can either enable how others can find you, which could be from your moon tag or your phone number. And that's it. You can just simply select save and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.